Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook. If you want to showcase your status updates to a wider audience and share them seamlessly on Facebook, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the WhatsApp icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. In the main interface of WhatsApp, look for the Updates tab. Tap on it to access your status updates. Step 3. Once you're in the Status Updates section, find and tap on your desired status that you want to share on Facebook. Step 4. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to access additional options. Step 5. From the options that appear, tap on Share to Facebook. This will initiate the process of sharing your WhatsApp status to Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your WhatsApp status updates to Facebook and reach a wider audience with your posts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you share your WhatsApp status to Facebook effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.